Section 4. BSL Plan for Stirling Council. 4.1. Across all our services. We share the long-term goal for all Scottish public services set out in the BSL National Plan, which is: across the Scottish public sector, information and services will be accessible to BSL users. Our actions. Actions 1 to 13 below support Actions 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in the National Plan. The relevant National Plan action numbers are shown alongside, for example, NP2. The 2011 census stated there are 355 BSL users in the Stirling Council area. The following actions will help us understand existing information we have about BSL users and identify and fill gaps in this. They will also help us learn how our services are being used and where people may need more support to use these. Gathering additional information will also help us measure our progress in meeting the needs of BSL users, NP2. By 2024, Number 1. Following introduction of the Co-Do system for recording customer information, people using council services will be asked if they would prefer to use BSL, including tactile BSL, when communicating with us. With their permission, this information will be stored and shared across all our relevant information systems. Number 2. We will record where individuals prefer to use BSL to access advice services for advice, advocacy, and representation. Number 3. We will record council house tenants who prefer to use BSL on our Northgate system. Number 4. We will record where individuals prefer to use BSL to access our Revenue and Benefits service or apply for support through this service. Number 5. We will ensure our schools, learning and education service record where children and young people prefer to use BSL on CMIS. Number 6. We will ensure people using our social care services who prefer to use BSL are recorded on our SWIFT system. Number 7. We will ensure our Employee Record Information Network, ERIN, records our employees who prefer to use BSL. Number 8. We will work with public sector organisations in the Forth Valley area to share good practice on improving evidence about BSL users in the area. The following actions will help us improve access to our information and services for BSL users, including making our website more accessible to them. NP3, NP4. Number 9. We will ask BSL users to help identify any improvements needed to our website to make it easier for the BSL community to use. Number 10. We will apply what we learn in improving our website to other forms of digital communication and engagement used by our services. The following actions will help us promote the use of the Scottish Government's BSL online interpreting video relay services. Contact Scotland-BSL to staff and to local BSL users. This is a free service which allows BSL users to contact public sector services and for these services to contact them, NP5. Number 11. We will promote the use of Contact Scotland-BSL as a key method for BSL users to contact the Council and its arm's length organisations, including Active Stirling. The following actions will allow us to offer staff who work with BSL users appropriate BSL awareness training. NP6. Number 12. We will introduce awareness and learning opportunities for staff and elected members, including raising awareness of BSL, deaf awareness, and specific BSL training for agreed staff groups. Number 13. We will work with public sector organisations in the Forth Valley area to share good practice on providing appropriate BSL awareness training.